How to stream iPhone to Firestick. It's a commonly asked question since most Amazon set-top boxes do not support streaming from an iPhone by default. And today, I'll introduce two solutions that you can download directly from the App Store. But before, I would be grateful if you could like this video and also leave a comment or even a question. I try to respond to everything. Now let's move on to the video. In my view, the first solution is an excellent example of a widely used application. Not only does the free version come with minimal restrictions, but all features are available in top-notch quality, and photocasting has no limits. Can you guess which application I'm talking about? It's none other than DoCast. Let me show you how to stream to Firestick from iPhone using it. So go to the App Store and download DoCast. While it's being downloaded, make sure your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Firestick. Next, open the application and provide the necessary access. Select your Firestick when it appears in the list of available devices and simply close the offer. Yes, you can stream without ads and prolonged waiting. You should then see the main menu with all available features. Today, I'm going to display a video. Tap Videos. Allow the app to access your gallery. Here, you'll see the entire list of available videos for playback. Launch any video. Look at the exceptional quality. There is a slight limit on video length, but you can just start playing another one or upgrade to the premium version for an enhanced experience. As you can see, there's an incredibly easy way to stream iPhone to Firestick. However, there are also alternative options, such as Screen Mirroring Cast app. While it might be considered a less successful implementation, the choice is yours. Press to skip the update to the Pro version. Grant or deny access to notifications. Press the search button and give access to the network. Then skip the offers again by choosing access with ads. After a short wait, you can see the available devices from your network. Select your Fire TV. After that, you will be asked to download the application to your Fire TV set-top box. By pressing the button on the iPhone screen, you will be immediately transferred to the Amazon App Store. Download it. After that, confirm the download on your iPhone. After all these steps, the app will launch on your TV screen, and you can start streaming video from your phone. But I was wrong. It is impossible to stream to Fire TV from iPhone, only mirroring function. This app does not provide any other features. There is a range of applications you can use to watch content from your iPhone on Firestick, but I personally prefer DoCast. It doesn't require installation on the console, offers flexible restrictions in the free version, and maintains excellent broadcast quality. Feel free to share the apps you use in the comments, but kindly do so after liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.